Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Panda Beauty and thank you for watching my video. In today's video I am going to do this look right here. I really wanted to use my Mecca palette right here. I'll be talking about it more in the video. But yeah, I bought this a few weeks ago and I've been playing with the colors and I was really pleased with the colors. It's gorgeous, so I wanted to use this palette today. It comes with a mirror. It cost me about $44 New Zealand. So yeah, I was really excited to use that palette finally in a video. So this is the look I've created. If you like what you see, keep on watching and I will explain everything, what I've used, how I've used it, all that tips and tricks. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown retouching wand. This is going on my eyelid. I'm gonna use it as a concealer to prime my eyes. With a foundation brush and spread that product. Go in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm going to use this palette to set my eyes. I'm going to use this color right here. Just taking it on a powder brush and just setting my eyes. I'm going to use my Mecca Mix eyeshadow palette here. I bought this a few weeks ago and I really loved the colors that were in this palette and I've been using it and I'm really impressed with the quality as well. So the palette looks like this, really nice colors that you can really create so many looks from it. So yeah, I bought this, I think it was about $44 New Zealand, and I swatched them when I was going to buy it and the quality of the colors were really good. So yeah, so this is the palette I'm going to use today. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is called Dough and this is going all over my lid including my crease. I got my brows done and they make a huge difference. Just everything looks so crisp and clean. Again, my brows are still really thin than what I actually wanted, so I might actually have to grow them again to get them more thicker. Go in is with this dark brown here. This one is called Hyped and this color is going to go in my crease. You can use the same brush that you use to put the lighter brown all over your lid because there's not much difference. It doesn't make a huge difference if you use a clean brush or the same brush. So I'm gonna use the same brush and go in my crease with this color. Flat brush and I'm going to go in with this black color in here. This one is called Dark Side. This is the only color that I thought was a bit more chalky than the other colors in the palette. All the other colors had very little fallout and they were really nicely pigmented. This black is really pigmented but it has the most fallout. And black with a lot of fallout can be very dangerous if you are doing intense eyes. I would suggest do your eyes first so you can clean any fallout. But yeah, it's not bad. It's but it does have a little bit of kickback in this palette. So yeah, I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm just gonna pack this color on the outer V of my eyelid. So all I'm doing is packing the color, and I'm only keeping it on the 1/3 of my eyelid. So before I blend it, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side so I can see how much I wanna add. So before I blend my black eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in this palette and I'm gonna take this purple right here. And this purple is called Funkadelic. What the hell does that even mean? Anyway, so that's the purple I'm gonna take. This eyeshadow is going all over my eyelid until where the black is. Yeah, so I'm gonna take Funkadelic onto a brush. Let me see what brush. Maybe I should just use my fingers. Yeah, I'm gonna just use my finger and apply this eyeshadow. It's a beautiful purple eyeshadow. I was really intrigued. The reason I bought this palette is because the colors are just so different to any other palette that I own. I mean, I'm pretty sure probably would have all these colors in other palettes. Just one palette to just create the beautiful different looks. You don't have to go through different palettes, and you know, I mean, it has a black, it has warm colors, it has cool colors. So yeah, I was really impressed, and my husband was willing, so I can't say no to that. Actually, he's the one who picked it up. He was like, oh, that palette looks really pretty, doesn't it? I'm like, yes it does, doesn't it? And he's like, yeah, I think you don't have something like this. And he's like, yeah, I don't. So here we are, got the palette. The real reason I went to shop was to buy me some brushes. Alright, I'm gonna go in the same palette and I'm gonna take the dark brown again, and this color is again going in my crease. And basically I'm gonna use this color to blend out the black and the purple with the crease, and then go in and blend out the black with the purple. I'm gonna start off with the crease first. With the brush that I used the black on, and I'm not going to add any more color, and all I'm going to do is going to blend that black out with the purple and kind of blend that color where it is instead of just dragging up or down. Go in with my finger and take that purple and basically help blend that purple slightly over the black so they have like a nice gradient finish. Take a clean brush and I'm gonna make sure that all my colors are blended, especially on my crease. I'm gonna carry on doing my face, and then I'll come back to my eyes and see how thick I want my eyeliner to be, how intense I want my eyes to be. I quite like the intensity, like I always say, but I like to do my face just to see how heavy my foundation is and all that stuff before I finish my eyes. And this is coming out. This needs to be in place. And for my face today, I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs foundation primer. And I'm just gonna... Very little goes a long way for this product. I usually don't like a lot of primer on my skin before I do put makeup on, but this one really hydrates my skin, so it's nice to just give it a nice hydration to my skin before I put foundation on. Now I'm gonna go in and color correct my face. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro concealer here. My color is Fawn, and I'm just gonna put it around my mouth and slightly underneath my eyes. With a foundation brush and just press that concealer into my skin. This foundation, I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder here. I like Estee Lauder. It's good coverage, but at the same time you can really control the intensity of the foundation if you don't want it to look too cakey. So I am going to do today exactly that. I'm going to take my Estee Lauder and then put a few drops of Farsali Unicorn droplets, so it just takes away the intensity but still has the good coverage. I'm going to go in with my Unicorn Essence here by Farsali and add a few drops. Going to on my hand palette here. I'm going to take the brush and just mix it together. I'm just going to add... Because I want to set and finish, I don't want to use my beauty blender because that will take away a lot of product and make it more dewy finish. So I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just press the product into my skin. No rubbing, no tucking, none of that. Just pressing the product. My concealer, and for my concealer today I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape here in color Medium Sand, and my color for my Estee Lauder was Spicy Sand or Spice Sand. My under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D palette here, and I'm gonna use the same color I used to set my eyelids, but this one I'm gonna take it on a beauty sponge and just set my under eyes. Powder really made my under eyes pop. I actually quite like it. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but in real life it looks quite I don't know, luminous and lifted, so I quite like it. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Obviously if you don't like this too much of yellow underneath your eyes, you can use like a neutral sort of color to really set your eyes but not have that pop sort of color, but I quite like it. I think it's really cool. It looks very Instagrammy, I don't know, but in real life it doesn't look too bad, but in camera I don't know how it looks. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna go on and do my contour. And for my contour, I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to go in and use this color right here. For blush today, I'm going to go in and use my MAC blush here. This is called Sunbask, and it's a beautiful orange, peachy, pink sort of undertone. And I'm just going to use a little bit on my cheek. It has a little bit of shimmer, so it really adds to the glow. Highlighter, and for highlighter I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown here called Bronze Glow. This has become one of my favorites, especially for like a daytime look. It just adds a nice luminosity to your skin and it doesn't look too harsh. So I'm going to use that today. And do my brows, and for my brows today I'm going to use these two products here. These two products are by Hourglass. This is a brow gel and this is a brow pencil. Really good for a nice volume sort of brows. This one I can just use before I go to gym or somewhere that I just want a quick fix for my brows. Just brush this on and I'm good to go. This one I can make more like definition for my brows. So yeah, I have been loving the combination of these two. So I'm going to use them today. They were quite expensive. Well, not too bad. They were $40 something, about $50. But that's how much I usually pay for my brow stuff anyway. Tip is so thin and precise. You can really already see the difference. You can really add volume to your brows. Take the spoolie and just brush any extra product. With the gel, I'm just going to set my brows in place. And both the colors are dark brunette, which suits my hair color, but they have a lot of other options too. So if you're a different hair color to mine, then you can definitely find a color for yourself. I love a feathery sort of brows now, so they look really nice. Anyway, I'm going to carry on doing my eyes, finish my eyes off, and then do my lips. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my Lakme liquid eyeliner I love. So yeah, I'm going to use that today, but obviously you can use the eyeliner you prefer on your eyes. I'm going to go and do my lower lashes, and for lower lashes I'm going to go in first with that dark chocolatey brown in here, and this is, I'm going to concentrate all over my lower lid. Make sure that you tap any extra product so you don't get any fallout, and keeping the color very close to my lash line. On the same brush I'm going to go in with the black again, and this I'm just going to concentrate on the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm just damping I'm just going to try to keep at least 1/3 of my lower lashes. I'm not going to bring the color too much in. My Clarins eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this color in my waterline. So my black underneath, I'm just going to drag it until where the black eyeshadow finishes. And I'm just going to slightly curl my lashes and put mascara on. Today I'm going to use my Essence mascara here. This is Curl and Hold Mascara Volume Stylist. I've been loving using this mascara. It just really lifts my lashes up, really volumizes them, and also, I don't know, curls them too. So I really like it, and I've been using it ever since I got it, so I'm just going to use this one today. Look, I'm going to use my Ardell's Wispies right here. Because this look is so intense, I want eyelashes that are quite intense as well, just to balance out the eyes. My mascara and just add that mascara to my falsies just to give them a little bit more volume, and also merge my fake lashes with my actual lashes. And these are wispies, they're not demi wispies. They're a bit more lengthier than the demi-wispy ones, and the brand is the same, it's Ardell. All I'm gonna do is actually take a stamping brush and just take that purple and just stamp it on the inner corner of my eye. Almost like joining that black eyeshadow underneath with the purple. This will be better if you haven't put the mascara on, but if you're careful you can still do the process. And time for lips. For my lips I'm gonna go in with my Cheat Sheet matte lipstick here. This one is called Facebook Stalker. So I'm just gonna kind of like spread the color. And on top of that color I'm gonna go add my Fenty Beauty gloss here. This one is Fussy. I'm just gonna add that. For the final touch, I'm gonna go take my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light and just I feel like I do this every single video, but I'm just gonna set my face with this. I don't know if I should cover my eyes. Maybe I will. Actually, no, I won't. So yeah, this is the final look. I quite like it. Of course, daytime look, it's a bit too crazy, but definitely for nighttime. The under eyes are quite highlighted, but obviously you don't have to use the yellow highlighting powder. You can use your normal one, so it doesn't give you that much of highlight. I wanted to do like quite a bit highlight just for that nice lifted look. I don't know how it looks in camera, but in real life it looks quite nice. So yeah, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share this video with someone who would also enjoy this video. Maybe learn some tips and tricks every single time. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. So yeah, until next time, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy, be positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.